what we do at Assembly is we create a birthday card flow where prior to somebody's birthday, we'll actually ask all of their collaborators to put together a kind message and to celebrate the work, the relationship that they have with that individual. So prior to Brooke's birthday, I can actually create a flow that runs on a scheduled basis. So every year prior to Brooke's birthday, or I could have it be triggered whenever somebody's birthday is approaching. I want to ask basically, what are the kind words that you would like to share with your teammate for their birthday? And people can come in here, and as we see, they can add a GIF, they can add a kind message, they can celebrate that person's work, they can celebrate the relationship that they have with that person. And as you come in on your birthday, I can actually then go and on Brooke's birthday, change it so that she can see it. So currently, this flow was just her teammates, just her collaborators. Now I can change it such that Brooke herself can see, and Brooke will actually get access on her birthday to all the kind messages and all the kind words of her peers. So Brooke can see that flow now because we updated her viewership to that flow. And now she has access to all that positivity. So that's one of the key ways in which we can just create a small moment around that milestone for people to really ensure that they feel seen and recognized within our company culture.
Actually go in and edit it further in order to customize it to suit our needs and the needs of our team. So if we go and direct our attention to the flow editor, we can actually click on this editor tab in order to edit the flow's content or its trigger. So perhaps we would rather this flow be no trigger so that our whole team can answer it at any time. We can make that change there. And perhaps we want to add additional questions. So what kind of words would you like to share with your teammate for their birthday? We're putting together an e-card for your teammate's birthday. Perhaps we want to add an additional block where we ask people to select a GIF, and we ask them, how does this person make you feel? From there, we can go and we can update the emoji that we use. We can retitle it to be birthday card for a specific person, perhaps for Brooke. Use this flow to source birthday messages from one of your teammates, frequent collaborators, present the heartfelt birthday card for the big day. So instead, we might say, answer this flow with all of your best wishes for Brooke. And with that, we can save the flow. And now the flow is edited and customized to fit our needs. If we go back to the feed, we can actually take this button right here to go and see if our changes have come in. And there's that new question. We're good to go. Thank you.